Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. Day 2 of a ride to Coorg. Well, we are in this beautiful coffee estate in southern part of Coorg. This is Virajpet. You can see the coffee estate behind. It's a beautiful place. So we're heading back to Bangalore today after a breakfast. Most of the guys left early morning, and we are just starting in a bit. Stay tuned as we ride along back to Bangalore, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's the view from our room. So we are off from our property, heading to Bangalore. Then the time right now is 9 a.m. Tapasya, it's called Tapasya Homestay. Sorry for the error in the name. Tapasya Homestay. Nice property. Tony is the owner. So if you want to come to southern part of Coorg, Virajpet area, you can always visit this property. I will share the link in my description below. Do check it out, and don't forget to keep following me on all my trips by hitting the bell icon. And if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up. So it's goodbye to Coffee Land, beautiful Coorg. The weather is amazing, makes you want to ride more, as you don't get really tired in this kind of weather. They call it the Scotland of India. So as it's rained, the road is a bit slushy. I don't know for what Arjun is honking. So I got this new 360 Insta 360 camera. So here is the view of the same from a different angle. It gives like a drone kind of feel. So this is going to be my new angle for all my upcoming videos. Hope you like this new camera of mine. Do give your comments below. So back to routine for me from tomorrow. Got an event today evening, that's why we're heading back fast. Thought of leaving by 6. Thought of leaving by 6 a.m. but talking and everybody became 9 o'clock. It's going closer to the dam, no? minutes I'll just log something and connect it. Well, hope you like the drone shots of the KRS backwaters. They didn't actually let us fly near to the dam since drones are banned on KRS dam. It's a safety issue. So we are heading back out of this KRS area and heading home from here through Hassan Road, Kunigal, Nelmangla, Bangalore, avoiding the Bangalore-Mysore road. Beautiful, beautiful view from here. Yeah. Very good height. So, hope to reach home by 3 o'clock. As we took an hour off from our ride to cover the KRS backwaters. Long time since I came to KRS and KRS backwaters. So if you're liking this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and encourage us for doing more such videos. And any comments you have, suggestions, please do write down below in the comments section. And do wait for the next video coming up shortly, the big one. So until then folks, it's goodbye from me from this Virajpet and KRS series. Sayonara, ciao, goodbye, adios, and thank you for watching.